तो बैरून मुल्क पाकिस्तान का इमेज है उस पर इसका क्या असर हो सकता है, उसको आज हम मौजू बनाएंगे और इसके लिए हम बात करेंगे वाशिंगटन के तहकीकी इदारे विल्सन इंस्टीट्यूट में पाकिस्तान और जनूबी एशिया उमूर के माहिर माइकल कुगलमैन से। माइकल, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस वंस अगेन ऑन व्यू 360। सो the decision is in front of everyone, and for some it's a matter of justice and accountability, and for others it's a tool of political vengeance. You're observing this from Washington DC. What does it look like from here?
Well, I think that, first of all, the very timing of this announcement of the sentencing of former Prime Minister Sharif and his family members is very suspect. It's coming less than 3 weeks before the election, so one must wonder if there could be some degree of politicization in this whole situation. And also, looking at the original charges at play here, I mean, the original reason why Nawaz Sharif became embroiled in legal trouble was not necessarily the Panama Papers issue, but more a technicality, an issue of not reporting a modest salary from income made on the side in a side business. There have been many Pakistani civilian and military officials who have done many more serious things and were never convicted. So certainly one could argue that on one level, yes, this is a sign of justice served in the sense that a very high-ranking elected official had to pay the ultimate price for an alleged crime. But at the same time, there are reasons to wonder if there could be a degree of politicization of this whole situation.
सो माइकल कुगलमैन कहते हैं कि इस फैसले का जो वक्त है उसको वाशिंगटन में भी एक अहम निगाह से देखा जा रहा है। इससे कुछ शकूक शुबहात भी पैदा होते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसे भी लगता है कि ये सियासी मकासद के लिए किया गया, क्योंकि माइकल कुगलमैन ने भी वही मौक़िफ़ दोहराया जो पाकिस्तान में भी अपनाया जाता है बाज़ हल्कों की जानिब से, कि एक टेक्निकलिटी की बुनियाद पर नवाज शरीफ को उनके ओहदे से भी बरतरफ किया गया था, ना कि डायरेक्टली पैनामा लीक्स में सामने आने वाले शवाहिद की बुनियाद पर। तो दोनों ही जानिब का जो मौक़िफ़ है उसको जहाँ ये बात की जाती है कि इससे इंसाफ हुआ है आज के दिन, कुछ लोगों का वो कहना है, और माइकल कुगलमैन कहते हैं कि हाँ ऐसे भी लगता है, लेकिन दूसरी जानिब ये बात भी इस तरह से तासुर पैदा होता है कि एक सियासी लीडर को एक बहुत भारी कीमत आज अदा करनी पड़ी है। Michael, for those sitting in Washington DC, the health and the strength of Pakistan's democracy matters a lot. Today's decision and this whole process actually, what kind of an image does it create about Pakistan's democracy, about the faith in Pakistan's institutions that people sitting outside and observing Pakistan have?
Well, I do think that there is a pretty strong perception here in Washington, both in terms of the government and those that study Pakistan from the outside, that there was a level of outside involvement, so to speak, in this whole process, in that the Pakistani military and the judiciary were trying to do things to undercut and weaken the PMLN party, and particularly in advance of the elections. And if that is true, and as I've indicated before, there's good reason to think that could be the case, then that certainly is a blow to democracy and to civilian institutions in Pakistan, which, let's face it, democracy has grown in Pakistan in the last decade or so. We've had peaceful transfers of power in elections, and we're going to have one would assume in the election later this month. So it is a bit of a blow if we assume that you had this legal process that played out in which the non-democratic forces, so to speak, including the security establishment, were trying to engineer some type of outcome to undercut the PMLN party. Because you are right. I mean, Washington does support a stronger civilian democracy in Pakistan, and I think the view here is that what's happened today is an indication that perhaps those democratic institutions have suffered a bit of a blow.
All right. So Michael Kugelman कहते हैं कि वाशिंगटन में हुकूमती और तहकीकाती जो हल्के हैं उनके लिए पाकिस्तान की जमहूरियत की सेहत और उसकी मजबूती बहुत अहम मौजू हैं जिन पर जहाँ गौर किया जाता है। और जिस तरह से ये पूरा प्रोसेस चला, अदालत की जो कार्रवाई है, इसके बारे में जो ये शकूक व शुबहात सामने हैं कि कुछ इदारों की जानिब से मुदाखलत की गई है सियासी अमल में, अगर ये दुरुस्त है तो ये यकीनन माइकल कुगलमैन कहते हैं कि उनकी नज़र में एक धचका है पाकिस्तान की जमहूरियत को, जो पिछले कुछ सालों में मजबूत हुई है, और उम्मीद है कि आगे इलेक्शन भी वक्त पर होंगे। लेकिन अगर दूसरे इदारों की मुदाखलत हुई है तो ये जमहूरियत के लिए एक धचका है। माइकल कुगलमैन, एज ऑलवेज वी रियली अप्रिशिएट योर टाइम एंड योर इनसाइट।
थैंक यू।